If you're wondering what the secret formula is that the rich know and the poor don't, then this video is perfect for you. Five ways the rich build wealth that the poor don't know. Number one, first of all, they invest in themselves. There's no bigger investment that you can make into yourself. You know, it's hugely important that you educate yourself, you know exactly what you're doing, but more to the point, you've got clear focus on your vision and how you're going to achieve it. Number two, they seek help and they invest in their team. You cannot scale to a massive portfolio if you don't have a good team around you. It's impossible. You know, a lot of landlords, the most I've ever seen one landlord run himself is 22 properties, but he was burnt out, he was sick. You know, you cannot get much further than that, I don't feel. If you want to scale into the hundreds, if you want to scale, you know, probably past that sort of 15 point, then you're going to have to seek some help. If you are engaging in such a strategy like serviced accommodation, you're going to probably need help after 3 or 4 properties. There's no way you can run any more by yourself without burning out. So make sure that you seek help first and foremost, but then when you've got your team, you need to invest in them. I constantly invest in my team, whether I am putting them through training or whether we are working together or whether we are, you know, just influencing each other on decisions and getting them involved. We're constantly pushing in the right direction and making sure that everybody understands what they need to do and how they need to do it. And if they don't know how to do it, we make sure we get the help to make sure that we push forward. Whilst I've still got your attention, if you're enjoying this video content, then there's plenty more where it came from. Don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe to the channel. And there's links in the description which give you other videos exactly like this one to help you on your property journey. Number 3 is they use debt to create cash flow. Now, a lot of people use credit cards and they're scared of credit cards because maybe once upon a time they racked up a load of debt. I have done that. I had £16,000 worth of debt before I started this journey out. I have none now, but I had £16,000 worth of debt. Not one bit of that was good debt. It was all stupid debt. Nights out, bottles of champagne, whatever it might be, you know, clothes, this, that, and the other stuff that is not going to create cash flow. If I had my time again, if I could get 16 grand on a credit card, I would pump that into rent-to-rent setups, buying furniture, getting those deals over the line, and then getting them to create cash flow. Because what you can do with the cash flow is you can pay the monthly payment off the card. And if you're very clever about it, you could get a 0% credit card for, say, 18 months. And every single one of those 18 months, you make sure you pay it off through the operational profit. And at the end, you've got no debt. The credit card's paid off. That is how rich people use debt to move themselves forward, you know. And you think of the larger companies out there, they're using massive amounts of debt, but it's not just to fund stupid things. It's not for liabilities. It's to move their business to the next level. You know, you're talking hundreds of millions some of these companies borrow, but they know that the hundreds of millions are going to turn into billions because they do it in the correct manner. Number 4, they have a service that pays them when they sleep. This is the fundamental key to having a business that you can rely on indefinitely, and you do not have to wake up and grind a 9 to 5 out to make it happen. You want to have a business where you can go to sleep and earn money. Property does that for you. You know, you get paid off tenants, you get paid off guests, you can get paid while you sleep as long as you own the property, manage the property, or run the property. And it's done in such a way that it's automated, good systems, good processes, good people, that you can sleep at night and wake up richer the next morning. I mean, how good does that sound? Finally, number 5, they reinvest all the time. You know, they make it a model that is reinvestable. They continue to repeat the process time and time again. So the whole property game is quite simple. And once you've figured your systems and processes out, it is just a simple case. I call it the plug and play machine. What you find another property, you plug it into your machine, you go and find another one, you plug it into your machine, and without knowing, you grow a massive portfolio that cash flows you while you sleep, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching this video. There's plenty more awesome content where this came from. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and continue watching the videos. And if you really want to get ahead of the game, then join my private Facebook group. Just head over to Facebook, 7-Figure Property Empire, click the link to join, and we'll get you on the inside.